Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to show you guys a list of programs that you can get for free alternatives to the Glowforge Premium plan. The only downside to this is it's going to be multiple programs in order to get all the features of Premium. Obviously, you won't have access to the catalog design or anything like that, but this is just for those who want to test out different features of Glowforge Premium to have alternative options that are free. So let's jump into this. First up is the new AI art generator here. So basically you type in a word and it creates art for you. An alternative to this is basically what this program is based off of. To my understanding, it's based off of this website, Stable Diffusion. So check out this website. It's free. You can enter in a prompt here and then just enter in a secondary negative prompt here, so like low quality, for example. Hit generate, and this is what it came up with, where I typed in a dog wearing a hat. It looks just like the images that come up on Glowforge's new plan there. So this is a free alternative. You can generate a bunch on this website. It does have a lot of ads, though, as you can see. A second site that I found is this website right here. As you can see, I did the same prompt, but this one actually lets you choose from a list of options just like Glowforge's does, but this one has a lot more. The only downside to this site is I think you can only get 5 free images per day, so just a heads up on that. So those are 2 potential alternatives just to test it out and see if you like it. Next up, we have the actual icons here. So these icons here, if you just search for a graphic, we're going to put a carrot, and it comes up with all these icons right here. So an alternative source to this is the actual source they got this from was a website called the Noun Project. So you can go to this website here, type in carrot just like you did, and you'll get most of the same exact images because that's where it's pulling from. So you can check that out. If you want any of those icons, you can get them for free right here too. So that's an alternative source for that. Now for all of the rest of the stuff, which is basically all the basics of Glowforge Premium, like such as the shapes here that you can see here, whenever you highlight to like flip them, you can align them with the alignment tools. You can see the measurements. All of this can be done with a program that's called Inkscape. You can also do this with Illustrator, but Illustrator is a paid program. Illustrator is what I use, but Inkscape is an alternative, so check that out. And that's going to bring me to the next website here, but before we get to that, I want to show you one more thing here. So just for this example, let's click on Adjust Artwork. And I showed this in a previous video, but if you wanted to edit your artwork, which is now available on the Glowforge Premium program, to make it lighter or darker or different contrast here, you can do this in a program that's called Photoshop. That's a paid one, or I believe the alternative is GIMP. We're going to check that out on this last website here. This last website is opensourcealternative.to. This website has 400 different alternatives to paid programs. So check this out for sure. So let's say you want an alternative to Illustrator. Just start typing in Illustrator. And right there is Inkscape, like I was telling you about. You can get it right here. Download this and it can do all of those features. You'll have to watch a different video on how to use it. Like I said, I don't use Inkscape personally, but it will do all of those features that I showed you. And then if you type in Photoshop, it'll come up with alternatives. Here's 2 free alternatives. I believe this is a new one that I've been hearing about lately, so that's cool. I may check this one out here soon too, but this is another one that I've heard a lot of good things about in the past, as well as GIMP. So you can check out both of those, and like I said, Check out YouTube tutorials on those programs if you want to get down into depth with them. But I wanted to show you guys alternative sites and alternative programs that you can use to get all of those features for free. And then it'll just be up to you on learning those programs, the ins and outs. But those programs will do everything that Premium has for the most part. There may be certain things, like real small things, that it may not be able to do, including the catalog, because the catalog is all submissions from other users. But all of the Glowforge user interface options can be outsourced like that if you want to have them across multiple programs for free. Now, Glowforge Premium is still a good thing if you want all of them all in one area here like this, plus access to the catalog, which I think access to the catalog is its best selling point here. So I hope this video helped you guys out with some alternative free sources. Let me know in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.